This year, for our ME229 class, we were given the task of finding a more efficient way to exchange the water pipes used for washing down airborne potash particles in Mosaic Kalonze's shaft number 1. The current pipe change procedure, pipes are pulled into the shaft and onto a wooden box that fastens to the skip. This process takes 120 minutes. Looking at this process, it becomes apparent to our group that moving the pipes into the shaft was a process that we had a strong chance of increasing the efficiency of. Our group's next course of action was to delve into literature and research a multitude of sources that would allow us to come up with several options for our potential design. We thoroughly looked into mining code and regulations in Saskatchewan, as well as OH&S sources and various rigging literatures. After research concluded, the group proposed several concepts to consider for the design. The first was an attachable and detachable claw apparatus that would rest on top of the skip and connect to the guide wires. The second design was a cylindrical redesigned box to incorporate more rooms for pipes to travel. The third was an electromagnetic device that could be powered on and off to allow a quick and easy fastening ability between skip and pipes. And finally, the fourth was a bracket and splitter assembly that consisted of rubber straps, rubber inserts in the bracket holes, and a tail rope. To decide on which design to use going forward, we used a matrix consisting of several key functions of the design outcome. The bracket and splitter assembly consists of one aluminum splitter that connects to the current 1-ton hoist using the pipe changing procedure. This splitter also connects to 2 aluminum brackets that are located at a distance of 15 feet from each other by steel cables. The brackets are then closed snugly by use of a rubber strap. This strap is pulled around the brackets to distribute normal force on the pipes so they will not fall during lifting. The strap is secured on both ends by adjustable clamps. As the assembly is hoisted, a tail rope connecting to the bottom bracket is used to guide the assembly into the box used in current pipe changing procedure. A cable connecting the splitter to the pipes is used for a double tie-off point to ensure safe functionability. Design was a legitimately feasible solution to the problem Mosaic Kalonze has. The concept was tested by modeling design out of wooden plastic at a half-scale magnitude. The test results indicated that the process rapidly increased the rate at which the pipe exchange process could occur, and that the design could feasibly be used at the mine.
Went pretty good. I thought everyone brought a unique skill to the team, and we actually ended up becoming a pretty good team at the end, I think.
Yeah, I think at first I'm confused, but with help of my partners, it became very clear, and finally, I feel it went good.
Pretty good. It's projects in the Hardy Lab, nothing caught on fire, and we finished, yeah.
I think it went well. It was a little confusing at the beginning, but evened itself out at the end.